Dr. Veena Shinde. I'm a gynecologist and I'm here to demystify some of your myths about pregnancy and diet. Of milk and milky foods, your baby will be fair. There's nothing like that. It's all on your genes. If you eat spicy food, it will spicy food is not good because what it does is it causes acidity. Then eating fair food, fair or white colored food in the morning will give you a fair child. There's nothing like that. Okay, then you can eat fish, uh, but it should not be large fish because big fish live in the deep waters and it is rich in mercury, which is dangerous for your child. Cheese is cut out from the diet many a times. Cheese from pasteurized milk is good. Soft cheese, which is from non-pasteurized, and it is not good for the child. Then you should eat complex carbohydrates like oats, millets. You should avoid simple carbohydrates like rice and eat bread or pastas. They are not good. Highly processed foods are not good. Food which is um, uh, fats is all the fruit in the first trimester. Pineapple, avoid papaya, irritate the okay. You should have fruit juice, berry, strawberry, and spinach, and lots of green vegetables. And you can have lean meats. They're very good for health. You should have plenty of water every day. You should have coconut water. There are certain myths about coconut water that it can increase the size of the head, or they say coconut water can cause excessive hair growth and that can cause acidity. There's nothing like that. Coconut water is safe. It is good because it prevents urinary infection, and it is healthy to have coconut water. Then, in hypothyroidism, you should avoid cabbage and cauliflower and broccoli. They can cause problem with you. In them, you can have nuts. And people with hyperthyroidism, you should eat cauliflower and cabbage and broccoli because it is good for them. And in them, you should avoid rich food. Then some more myths like whether you can have tea and coffee. Tea and coffee can be had in restriction, but it is not good to have. If you can avoid it, is better. Then certain foods like alcohol and smoking, very bad. Drugs, very bad during pregnancy. They can cause sudden infant death syndrome in the newborn baby, and you can lose your baby. So avoid alcohol, avoid drinks, and avoid smoking during pregnancy. Some more myths like whether you can have sex during pregnancy. You can have sex. The semen has got prostaglandins, so it can cause preterm delivery. So be careful, but it is not unsafe during pregnancy. Things that you should eat during pregnancy are folic acid, iron, calcium, protein rich diets, and you should add because it prevents hypertension and it is essential for the growth of the baby. Zinc is also essential and magnesium is also essential. So you should add with all these ingredients. Some protein preparations have got fortified folic acid and it is good to have them. Then you can eat during pregnancy, but it should be fat free. Okay, fat is not good during pregnancy because it makes you put on weight. Certain weight gain is estimated during pregnancy. Point 0.4 uh, 0.4 kgs to 1.8 kgs in the first trimester should be the weight gain, and in from the fourth month onwards your weight gain should be zero point 0.8 to 1.8 kgs per month. And some more information on weight gain is that you should not put too much of weight gain if you are or you are diabetic. If you are diabetic, you must emphasize on eating uh, millets because that makes you full and you don't feel hungry and your sugar levels don't rise. You should not eat rice and you should not eat sugary foods or simple carbohydrates because that can cause an increase in sugar. If you are hypertensive, you should avoid salty food. You should avoid pickles and papads because that increases your BP. So you'll have to have more medicine. A high protein diet is essential for maintaining good amount of water around the baby. So please have proteins which are there in lean meats, or you can have sprouts, healthy foods always. Have a happy and a healthy pregnancy. I think that should solve all your problems. Thank you. Is having warm water with ginger during cough harmful? No, it is not harmful. You can have. It is perfectly safe. Any more questions? Can I have spicy food or outside food during pregnancy? Is it harmful? You can have spicy food, you can have outside food, but it should be freshly cooked and you should not be suffering from acidity. If you're suffering from acidity, then it will increase the acidity and it will be harmful to you. If you can digest it and you're not suffering from acidity, there should be no problem. Will eating nuts during pregnancy make my baby allergic to it? No, nuts can be eaten if you are not allergic to nuts like peanuts, and you should have unsalted nuts. They are safer to eat during pregnancy. Also, if you are not allergic to nuts, you can eat the nuts. It does not cause any allergy. Will having curd and buttermilk during pregnancy make my baby fair? Not at all. Whatever you are, that will be there with the baby in your genes. Curd and buttermilk will not make your baby fair. Is cow milk harmful to consume during pregnancy? No. Cow milk is safe to have during pregnancy. It is light, there is less fat, and is very good. Uh, you can follow me on Baby Chakra, and my code is Venus. So happy and have a safe pregnancy.